Inflation news came out this week. Let's check it out. Interest rates mostly held steady this week around that 6.7% mark for the top-notch buyer. And of course, all the news around the president. So lately there's been more mention of a recession. This would be good for interest rates, but of course bad for most other things. There are also still concerns about inflation due to tariffs. This is generally bad for interest rates, but we're going to have to see how that plays out. And the stock market has been losing ground lately. It really doesn't know what to expect with these changes from the administration almost daily. This has helped interest rates as investors have moved to bond safety, as noted here by JP Morgan. And when people invest in bonds, it helps interest rates. February CPI inflation improved across all major groupings. And PPI ticked down so far this month, although upward revisions have been common lately. This is where we're going to see the first impacts of the tariffs on inflation. So remember that we put huge premiums into the housing market during COVID, and that purchase premium is still well above rent in many areas. For me, it makes me believe that there's still room for home prices to come down a little bit. This will vary with specific location. For instance, if you're in a highly desirable neighborhood, that's not going to matter. Let me know. I'm happy to look at specific locations for you. So what does this mean for you? This is a buyer's market. Be confident in negotiating. I've heard of some people getting offers accepted 5 to 10% below listing price. And of course, that's going to be on certain properties, so gauge that for yourself. If you have any questions about this data or questions about buying a house, let me know.